Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two popular steam cleaning products, the Bissell Steam Mop and the Waitebird Steam Cleaner. Which one will be your new cleaning companion? Let's find out. Starting with the price, the Bissell Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at just $92, making it accessible for those looking to save money. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially for its performance. In contrast, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner comes in at $139. While it's a bit pricier, some users feel that the additional features and accessories justify the cost. Overall, if you're looking to save some cash, the Bissell is the way to go. But if you want to invest in a more feature-rich cleaner, the Waitebird could be worth it. Now, let's talk about sanitization power. The Bissell Steam Mop claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and has received rave reviews for its effectiveness on tough grime, especially on grout. Users have noted how well it sanitizes their floors, leaving them looking like new. On the other hand, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner produces steam up to 248, making it a formidable opponent against dirt and bacteria. Reviewers have mentioned its ability to tackle tough stains across various surfaces, confirming its powerful sanitization capabilities. While both products excel in this category, the Waitebird really brings the heat. When it comes to ease of use, the Bissell Steam Mop features a built-in flip-down easy scrubber, which many users find helpful for scrubbing stubborn spots without hassle. Reviewers have praised it for being lightweight and easy to maneuver. Meanwhile, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner is designed with a child safety lock and various attachments that make it versatile for all ages. Users appreciate its ergonomic design and the fact that it doesn't leak, contributing to a mess-free experience. Both are user-friendly, but the Waitebird offers additional safety features, making it a better choice for families. Finally, let's take a look at the accessories. The Bissell Steam Mop comes with a mop pad and a few essentials, which users find adequate but not extensive. They liken it to a complimentary breadstick. Nice, but you might want more. In contrast, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner comes with an impressive 21 accessories, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers love the range of attachments, which allow them to tackle everything from furniture to appliances with ease. If accessories are what you're after, the Waitebird definitely has the edge. In summary, both the Bissell Steam Mop and the Waitebird Steam Cleaner have their strengths. The Bissell is often praised for its affordability and effectiveness, while the Waitebird is recognized for its powerful steam and extensive accessories. Users generally express satisfaction with both products, highlighting their unique advantages. So what's your pick? If you want a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, the Bissell Steam Mop is a solid choice. But if you're ready to invest in a powerful cleaner with tons of accessories, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner could be your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more details.